Hello again, it's me. I decided to show my face in this video since I probably should show my face a little more so you could actually see what this fathead looks like. Anyway, I thought I'd show you another tool I bought that I tried to buy off a guy in Pennsylvania off of Facebook Marketplace, but he was like, "Yeah, I don't trust you, blah blah blah," and all this shit. And I'm like, "Look, I'll pay you the money, just ship me the goddamn thing." No, 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 whatever. So, lucky me, I have a cousin in Pennsylvania, and I said, "Can you get one of your friends to like I don't know, tell the guy you want to buy this. I'll send you the money." So I PayPal'd him the money. They PayPal'd him. And he's like, "Well, I kind of knew it was you." And I'm like, "Oh, no, I think you're full of shit." But anyway, I told him, I said, "Look, I told you I'd pay for it." And he's like, he was worried about getting ripped off. And I was like, "You know what? If I PayPal you $200 for a tool, who's going to get ripped off first? Obviously, me. I'm going to lose $250, which this was pretty cheap because considering what I got with this tool, the tool itself sells on eBay for like $200. It comes with a ratchet like this. It comes with the regular wrench. It also didn't come with a stand for the table stand. I made one. And it came with 7 dies. I looked on Roper Whitney's website, which I just gave away with tool on it. And Roper Whitney sells the dies for between 40 and $50. So I was like, 7 dies? That's not bad. This alone is like $200. It's missing the bar, but thankfully it came with this homemade piece of plumbing pipe that fits in here. Works good though. And the ratchet thing kind of fits in. I gotta like give it a little sanding, but it works. Let me show you the tool now. This is fun. I'm gonna take you off the stand here if I don't take 400 pictures. I'm taking it off here. Let's do a little. Wait, how does this work here? I don't know. How do I reverse it? Here, let me stop.